Camp Newwood Park on East End Trail. Hi, I'm doing yoga. There's somebody up looking at the sign, so. So I'm going to do palm tree pose. And then, let's see, I am just going to do, I'll just do warrior pose. I haven't done that in a while. I videotape myself doing yoga, but you can come on. That's fine. Just so you know, I have a video camera going.
Reading the stuff about the ice age.
Yeah. Yeah. It's an accountability to myself to videotape myself. That's why.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Cool.
You as well. Alright, so other side. So my goal is 4 breaths during each pose. And then I am going to do, so here's more people coming, okay. Alright, I'm going to do tree pose. Hi! I just videotaped myself doing yoga, so you can come on down. I'm just doing yoga. You're good. It's fine. I like to go into nature and just try to do 5 yoga poses. It forces me to go into nature. So you can come on. It's no big deal. Just if you were wondering why I'm talking to myself, that's all.
Oh, I didn't see you talking. I saw your yoga pose, and I was like, oh, she's doing yoga. Maybe
Yeah,
I should.
you guys just do your
Thank
thing.
you. My kids played around and did yoga with me one day, and he laid on the floor. He's like, this is my carpet pose.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
You too. So this is tree pose. So again, my goal is to do 5 yoga poses in nature 5 days a week for 5 months. And I wear whatever clothes I have on and just get into nature and do yoga. So I did, I have to count it out because I did mountain pose and palm tree pose and warrior pose and tree pose. So I have one more pose. I'm just going to do the other warrior pose. So it is, instead of hands forward, it's hands up. So then I'm breathing into the lower part of my lungs, pushing my belly out, and then when I breathe in, or breathe out, I pull my tummy back toward my spine. so proud. There was just a bug flying like literally a half an inch from my nose, and I didn't swat at it. Okay, that one went in my eyeball. Okay. Just gonna let you guys take a peek at this beautiful creek again. Have to flip the camera around. Just listen to that. Have a great night, everybody. That was kind of fun having people come down the trail. Enjoy life.